Good morning students. Today I am going to teach about a new topic, structure of human heart. Okay, heart is a very essential important organ in our body. Heart is a muscular pumping organ. So what is the main function of heart? That pump out the blood into the blood vessels. Okay, what is heart? Heart is a muscular pumping organ that pump out the blood into the blood vessels. Okay, what is heart? Heart is a muscular pumping organ. Okay, muscular pumping organ that pump out the blood into blood vessels. Okay, the pump out the blood into blood vessels. Okay, so what is blood? Already you know what is blood, ma? Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Okay, which color? Red color pigment is present in the blood. Okay, so what is a heart is a muscular pumping organ that pump out the blood into blood vessel. Where is located? Heart namakku enga irukku? Okay, the heart is situated in between the lungs. Okay, this is a lungs. Okay, in between the lungs and slightly towards the left side. Okay, slightly towards the left side and above the diaphragm, the thoracic cavity, and above the diaphragm. What is a diaphragm? This is a diaphragm. This is a diaphragm layer. So what is the use of the diaphragm? It separates the thorax cavity and abdomen cavity. Okay, this is a diaphragm. Okay, so where is located? In between the lungs and slightly towards the left side and just above the diaphragm in the thoracic cavity. Okay, so next, the heart is made up of special type of muscle is known as the cardiac muscle. So heart is made up of special type of muscle. Which type of muscles? Cardiac muscle. The muscle oda name cardiac muscle. It is very important. One word student notice. The heart is made up of specialized special type of muscle. So the muscle oda name cardiac muscle. Okay, so next, the heart is enclosed by a membrane is called pericardium. It is a double membrane layer. Okay, the heart is enclosed by a double membrane layer. The name of the layer name pericardium. The layer name pericardium. So inside the pericardium, some fluid is present. Inside the layer, some fluid is present. So what is the fluid name? Inside the layer, some fluid is present. What is the fluid name? Pericardial fluid. The fluid or the name pericardial fluid. Okay, so what is the use of the pericardial fluid? The pericardial fluid use enna appadina, which reduce the friction during heartbeat. Okay, so first thing, which reduce the friction during heartbeat. Heart oda main function is heartbeat. Another one important function. So it reduce the friction during which reduce friction during heartbeat. So another one important function, it prevents from mechanical injury. Okay, so it prevents from mechanical injury. Okay, so what is the meaning of the friction? Friction na enna pa uraivu solluvola, that is called friction. Okay, so what is the main important use of the pericardial fluid? The first one, which reduce the friction during heartbeat. The heartbeat agumbodhu friction agama irukku uraivu. So next one important point, it prevent the mechanical injury, prevent the heart. Okay, so what is heart? First point, it is very important question student. So listen carefully. The first one, the heart is a muscular pumping organ that pump out the blood into blood vessels. Okay, in the first point. The second one, the heart is made up of special type of muscles called cardiac muscles. Okay, the heart is enclosed by the layer is named pericardium layer. The inside the layer, some fluid is present. What is the name of the fluid? The pericardial fluid. Why? What is the use of the fluid? Which reduce the friction during the heartbeat, and another one important point, it prevent the mechanical injury. Okay, so next one, the heart. How many chamber? The heart is 4 chamber. Normally, the heart 4 chamber. Already you know. Already you will learn in the lower classes. Okay, how many chamber? 4 chamber. 2 auricle, 2 two ventricle present. This is a right auricle, this is left auricle, this is right ventricle, this is a left ventricle. So how many chamber? 4 chamber, 2 auricle plus 2 ventricle present. Okay, the auricle ventricle are separated by septum. Okay, the 2 auricle and 2 ventricle are separated by septum. So what is the meaning of septum? Septum அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படினா the septum prevent the auricle and ventricle. Okay, so prevent the auricle and ventricle between the எங்க present ஆயிருக்கும்னா இந்த septum present between the auricle and ventricle. What is the main use of the septum? It prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Okay, so what is the main thing? We prevent mixing of oxygenated plus deoxygenated blood. So what is the meaning of oxygenated? Na oxygen ulla irukku. So deoxygenated appadina without oxygen. Oxygen is not present in this type of blood. This is called deoxygenated blood. Okay, prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. So atrium is present. Okay, so next one, what is next? It is very important part. How many chamber? 4 chamber, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle present. Right auricle, left atrium. Atrium appadina singular, auricle na plural. Okay, so next right ventricle and left ventricle is present. So the right ventricle, 2 auricles are separated by septum. So what is septum? The septum where is located? Located between the auricle and ventricle. Between the auricle and ventricle. So what is the use of the septum? It prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. So oxygen உள்ள ரத்தமும் oxygen இல்லாத ரத்தமும் ஒண்ணோட ஒண்ணு கலக்காம இருக்குறது தான் இந்த septum வந்து யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேவா? So next, first we see the right atrium. What is already you know 2 atrium, 2 auricle, right auricle, another one left auricle. Okay va? The right atrium is a very thin layer. The right atrium and left atrium is a very thin layer made up of. So the right ventricle and left ventricle is made up of thick layer. The right atrium is a right atrium and left atrium. It is a thin layer, but right ventricle and left ventricle thick layer. Okay, the right auricle and left auricle present in the upper side and right ventricle and left ventricle present in the lower side. Okay, so lower side ventricle is a very thick layer. Okay, so first the right atrium receive the deoxygenated blood. Right atrium அப்படினாலே என்னதான் நாவுல வரணும்? It receive the deoxygenated blood from the inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, coronary sinuses. Okay va? The first one, the right atrium receive the right atrium receive deoxygenated blood from superior vena cava. This is a superior vena cava. So next one, inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, another one inferior vena cava. Okay, so next one, coronary sinuses. Okay, so the first, let us see one by one. The first one, right atrium. Right atrium receive the deoxygenated. Right atrium nale receive the deoxygenated blood. Where? From the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinuses. Okay, so next, the left atrium. This is the left atrium. The left atrium receive the oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein. Okay, the left atrium receive. Next, left atrium receive oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein. Already you know what is vein. Vein abinale only carry the deoxygenated blood, but except pulmonary vein only carry the oxygenated blood. It is very important important point student. So normally vein abinala it carry the deoxygenated blood, but except pulmonary vein only carry the oxygenated blood. So what is the left atrium? What is the main function of the left atrium? Left atrium receive the oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein enga irundha the lungs la irundhu kondu varum. Okay va? So do you understand the first part? Right atrium, left atrium. Okay, so what is the right atrium? Right atrium receive the deoxygenated blood from the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. Okay, so next the left atrium. What is left atrium? This is your left atrium. The left atrium receive oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein. Okay, so all the vein carry deoxygenated blood, but except pulmonary vein only carry the oxygenated blood. It is very important point. Okay, so next part, right ventricle. Okay, so next the blood is filled in the atrium. So auricular full என்ன செஞ்சிருச்சு, blood வந்து filled ஆயிருச்சு. So the right atrium, left atrium blood filled. So next என்ன process ஆகும்? The right auricle and left auricle pump out the blood into the right ventricle and left ventricle respectively. Okay, so what is the main meaning? The right atrium, left atrium enga blood and pump out the blood into the right ventricle and left ventricle respectively. Okay, so let us see one by one. So next, what is this? This is a right ventricle. First see the right ventricle. Right ventricle. This is a right ventricle. The right ventricle, already I said right ventricle is a thick walled presence compared to the right atrium wall. It is very thick walled presence. Why present the thick wall? The thick wall ஏன் இதுல இருக்குது அப்படினா, because the ventricle have to pump out the blood to the various organ of the body. Okay, because what is the main reason? They have to pump out the blood to various organ of the body. Ventricle have to pump out the blood to various organ of the body. So அந்த force வெளிய வரப்ப என்ன இருக்கும், அது வந்து உனக்கு திக்கா இருந்தா தான் அந்த force வந்து blood vessels வந்து தாங்கும். So அதனால தான் என்ன இருக்கு, thick wall is present in the ventricle. Okay, so next one, the right ventricle. This is a right ventricle. Okay, this is a right ventricle. The right ventricle arises a pulmonary trunk. Okay, the right ventricle arises pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk is divided எப்படி பிரியும்னா, the right pulmonary trunk, another one the left pulmonary trunk பிரியும். The pulmonary trunk is a right pulmonary trunk, another one left pulmonary. This is a pulmonary artery, this is pulmonary vein. Okay, the pulmonary artery is arises a right pulmonary artery and left pulmonary artery. Okay, the right and left pulmonary artery. Okay, so the right and left pulmonary artery supply the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. So next என்ன நடக்குது, the right and the already it was it right auricles arises a pulmonary trunk. இது arise ஆகுது, pulmonary arise a trunk. The pulmonary trunk is two type, right pulmonary trunk, another one left pulmonary trunk. So the right and left pulmonary trunk, okay, right and left pulmonary arteries supply the deoxygenated blood. இதெல்லாம் சரி, எல்லா deoxygenated blood செக் பண்ணி எங்க கொண்டு போகுது, so lungs க்கு கொண்டு போகுது. So next point, the right and left pulmonary artery. This is a pulmonary artery. Okay, the blue color pulmonary artery supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Purify பண்றதுக்காக லங்ஸ்க்கு எடுத்துட்டு போகுது. Okay, so next one, the right and left pulmonary artery. What is this? Is a pulmonary artery. This is a pulmonary artery. Okay, the right and left pulmonary artery supply the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Deoxygenated blood lungs க்கு எடுத்துட்டு போகுது. Next, so next step, so next one, this is a left ventricle. Left ventricle arises to aorta. இந்த பார்ட்டுக்கு என்ன பேருன்னு சொல்வாங்க, so arises aorta. So next left ventricle arises to aorta. Aorta na தமிழ்ல பெருந்தமனி சொல்வாங்க. So next left ventricle arises to aorta. Okay, so the coronary artery carry the blood to heart. The coronary artery, the aorta carry the oxygenated blood to various organs of the body. The aorta ida carry பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு carry the oxygenated blood to different part of the body or various part of the body. Okay, different part of the body. Okay, so next thing, the coronary artery supply the blood to heart. Okay, the coronary artery supply the blood to heart. This is a normal function. Okay, the first one, for over article enna seidhu, the first one, the right ventricle arises a pulmonary trunk, the right and left pulmonary trunk. Okay, the right and left pulmonary artery supply the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. This deoxygenated blood lungs ku eduthu podu. So next one, this is a left ventricle. Idoda velai enna? What is the main function of left ventricle? Left ventricle arises a aorta na perundhamani solluvom. It supply the oxygenated blood to the heart. Idu enna seidhu? Oxygen ulla pathana enga eduthu podu namla various organs ku transfer பண்ணுது. So next one, last one, the coronary artery solluvom. What is coronary artery அப்படினா? The coronary artery supply the oxygenated blood to heart. Oxygenated blood heart ku anupudu. This is a common function of heart. Do you understand? Again I repeat, the first one, the right atrium. Okay, how many chamber ma? 4 chamber, 2 auricle, 2 ventricle is present. It is a common one. Atrium is present. What is the main use of the septum? What is the main use of prevent the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood? Okay, the first thing, the right atrium. Right atrium receive the deoxygenated blood. Right atrium nale receive பண்ணும் deoxygenated blood. Okay, where இங்கர்ந்து superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. So next, the left atrium. This is a left atrium. The left atrium receive the oxygenated blood through pulmonary vein. Already I said vein அப்படினாலே carry the deoxygenated blood. Except pulmonary vein only carry the oxygenated blood. So அப்ப இங்க deoxygenated blood. So it's indicate the blue color. The blue color ஏன் கொடுத்திருக்கேன்னா it is a deoxygenated blood. Oxygen இல்லாத ரத்தம். So indicate the blue color. So left atrium receive the oxygenated blood through the pulmonary vein. So indicate the red color. So red color na oxygenated blood. Oxygen உள்ள ரத்தம். Okay, do you understand? So next, right ventricle. The right ventricle is a thick wall. Already I said. Okay, so the right ventricle arises the pulmonary trunk. The right ventricle arises the pulmonary trunk. The right and left pulmonary artery supply the deoxygenated blood. இங்க என்னதா? Deoxygenated blood to the lungs. எங்க? lungs க்கு அனுப்புது. Okay, so எல்லா deoxygenated blood collect பண்ணி lungs க்கு அனுப்புது. So next இங்க left ventricle. The left ventricle give rise to the aorta. Okay, so aorta na பெருந்தவணின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So aorta supply the blood to the various part of the body. இந்த aorta தான் நமக்கு என்ன செய்யுது அப்படினா இந்த உள்ள ரைஸ் ஆகக்கூடிய aorta தான். This is called aorta. So இங்க இருந்து blood எடுத்து இது என்ன செய்யுது? aorta தான் various parts நம்மளோட உடம்பு, கை, காது, மூக்கு, lungs, kidney, okay, liver, stomach இந்த மாதிரி எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் blood supply பண்ணுது. So left ventricle arises aorta. The aorta supply the oxygenated blood to various part of the body. So next, the left ventricle coronary artery supply the blood, purified blood, oxygenated blood to the heart. The heart full supply பண்றது coronary artery. This is a basic concept of heart. Okay, இதான் அதோட basic concept. So next one, valve அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். What is valve? Not only 4 chamber only present in the heart. Some valves also present. What is valve? So what is the meaning of valve? Valve அப்படினா கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கியா? This one is nothing but it is a muscular flap. Okay, what is valve? Valve na the muscular the muscular flaps. ஒரு மடிப்பு மாதிரி உள்ளது. For example, this is called valve. Okay, muscular flap, that is called valve. இதை தான் நம்ம valveன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? So what is the use of the valve அப்படின்னா it regulate the blood flow in a single direction. It regulate the blood flow. It's regulate the blood flow. Which regulate the blood flow in single direction. Regulate the blood flow in single direction. It's another one important thing. Second one, it prevent the deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. So எது வந்து mix ஆயிடக்கூடாது. The heart contain already 3 valves is present: bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, semilunar valve. Okay, what is the 3 valve? The first one, let us see one by one. First one, tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. The first valve oda name tri. What is the meaning of tri? Nale meaning enna? 3. So appa 3 valve present. Where is located? The tricuspid valve is located in the right auricle and between the right auricle and right ventricle. Right auricle ko right ventricle ku இடையில என்ன valve present ஆயிருக்குது? Tricuspid valve. So the right auricle ko right ventricle ko between. Okay, the tricuspid valve located between the right auricle and right ventricle. So tricuspid valve located between the right auricle and right ventricle. Okay, so what is the main function? It prevent the இதோட வேலை என்ன அப்படினா இதோட வேலை என்ன? Regulate the blood flow regulate பண்ணுது. So next one, tricuspid valve finish. So next one, mitral valve, tricuspid valve சொல்லணும். So mitral valve. So what is the meaning of the mitral valve அப்படினா mitral valve is located between the left atrium and right auricle. Left auricle and right auricle. So it's located between the left auricle and left ventricle. Where is left auricle? This is your left auricle. This is your left ventricle. இது ரெண்டுக்கு இடையில mitral valve is present. Okay va? So next third one valve, semilunar valve. So last one, semilunar valve. What is the meaning of the semilunar? Semi means half. Semi means half. So semilunar valve என்ன சொன்னா தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா அரை சந்திர வாழ்வு இல்ல பிறை சந்திர வாழ்வுன்னு சொல்வாங்க. So பார்க்க ஒரு பிறை மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி ஷேப் இருக்கு. That is called semilunar valve. So semilunar valve is located between the pulmonary artery and aorta. It is located between the pulmonary artery and aorta. So what is the main function? It prevents the backflow of and ventricles. இது எதுக்கு இடையில போக கூடாது அப்படினா prevent the backflow of blood into ventricles. Ventricles இடையில திருப்பி போயிட கூடாது, backflow ஆயிட கூடாதுன்றதுக்காக தான் இந்த semilunar valve is present. Okay, do you understand the 3 valves? What is valve? What is a muscular flap? Okay, so what is the main use of the valve? Which regulate the blood flow in a single direction. Okay, so next tricuspid valve. What is the meaning of tri not 3? So tricuspid valve. What is tricuspid valve? This is a tricuspid valve. அப்படினா இந்த இடத்துல மூணு வருது ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, மூணு மடிப்பு இருந்த அந்த triangle shapeல இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும் பாக்க. Look like it. So tricuspid valve is located between the right auricle and right ventricle. It's located the right auricle and right ventricle. So next one, the mitral valve. Mitral valve is present, is located between the left auricle and left ventricle. This is a mitral valve. So next last one, semilunar valve. What is the meaning of semi? Semi means half. So semilunar valve is located between the pulmonary artery and aorta. So what is the main function of the semilunar valve? It prevents the backward flow of blood into the ventricles. Ventricles la blood திருப்பி மூவ் ஆக கூடாது. So அதுக்கு தான் இது யூஸ் ஆகுது. So okay, have you understood? So what is the structure of heart? What is the type of chamber? What is a type of valve? So next topic, 3 type of circulation in our human body. What is the type of circulation? First one, systemic circulation. First one, systemic circulation. Next, pulmonary circulation. Third one, coronary circulation. Okay, the body circulate in our body by oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Okay, the blood circulate in our body with oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. What are the 3 type of circulation? The first one, systematic circulation. Systematic circulation. Systematic circulation. The second one, pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. So third one, coronary circulation. Third one, coronary circulation. Okay, so what is the 3 types? The first one, systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation. Third one, coronary circulation. Okay, let us see one by one. The first one, systematic circulation. What is the meaning of systematic circulation? The systematic circuit start with the circulation of blood from the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to the various organs. The first cycle enga start agum the systemic circulation abina left ventricle. This is a left ventricle. Okay, this is a left ventricle. The systematic circulation of blood, oxygenated blood from the left ventricle. The left ventricle is enna blood irukudhu? Oxygenated blood. Okay, the circulation of oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to various organs. Idhula irundhu enna seiya arambikum? So various organs ku the blood flow போக ஆரம்பிக்கும். The first step. The second step, at the same time, return of the blood to the return of deoxygenated blood to the right auricle. What is this? This is your right auricle. Okay, this is your right auricle. This is your right auricle. The return of the deoxygenated blood to the right auricle. The aorta carry the oxygenated blood to the various part of the body. Okay, the what is systemic circuit? The first one, the circulation of oxygenated blood to the left ventricle of the heart to various organ of the body. The first thing. At the same time, the return of deoxygenated blood to the right auricle. Deoxygenated blood enga vandirukum? Right auricle ku vandirukum. Deoxygenated blood in the right auricle. Okay. So the aorta carry the oxygenated blood to the all parts of the body. This is the first systematic circulation. Okay, system na nammaloda udamukku full body circulate agudhu first thing. The second type of circulation, pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circuit அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Pulmonary circuit or pulmonary circulation. So pulmonary circulation அப்படினாலே தமிழ்ல நுரையீரல் ரத்த ஓட்டம் சொல்றது. So lungs நடக்கும். So pulmonary circulation, the first start with the right ventricle. Okay, the pulmonary artery reaches the right ventricle of the lungs. என்ன blood எடுத்துட்டு போகும் அப்படினா first deoxygenated blood எடுத்துட்டு போகும். இதுக்கு purify பண்றதுக்கு. So pulmonary artery carry the right ventricle, so reach the lungs with deoxygenated blood. Okay, so next one, the pulmonary vein collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs. Next அது என்ன process பண்ணும்? Pulmonary vein. Notice this is a pulmonary vein. Okay, this is a red color indicate the purified oxygenated blood. The pulmonary vein collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs, supply the left atrium. இது எங்க supply பண்ணும் அப்படினா blood left atrium க்கு supply பண்ணும். This is the major function of pulmonary artery. Okay, so normally all the vein அப்படினாலே carry the deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary vein only carry the oxygenated blood. Okay, so normally vein அப்படினாலே carry the deoxygenated blood, pulmonary vein only carry the oxygenated blood. So pulmonary vein collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs la irundhu oxygenated blood full collect பண்ணி supply the left atrium. எங்க supply பண்ணும்? Left atrium. This is a left atrium. So blood full எங்க வந்து நிக்கும்? Left atrium நிக்கும். This is a pulmonary circuit. So last one, coronary circulation or coronary circuit. Coronary circuit என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா the supply of blood to the heart muscles, especially the cardiac muscles, that is called coronary circulation. What is the meaning of coronary circulation? The supply of blood to heart muscles. heart muscles is called coronary circulation or coronary circuit அப்படினு சொல்றோம். So the deoxygenated blood வந்து எங்க போகும்? Blood from the cardiac muscles ல இருந்து coronary artery வழியா coronary sinus வழியா நமக்கு வெளியே போயிடும். இதுதான் coronary circulation. Okay, so next double circulation and single circulation சொல்வாங்க. So நம்மளோட human heart in human beings double circulation and small lower animals only the single circulation இருக்கும். So what is the meaning of double circulation and single circulation? So what is it? Let us see one by one. The first, what is a double circulation? Double அப்படினாலே என்னப்பா meaning? What is the meaning of double? Double நாலே ரெண்டு. அப்ப circulation ரெண்டு நடக்கும்போது அப்ப when the blood circulate in twice the heart, okay, in complete circulation, when blood circulate twice through the heart, one complete cycle is called double circulation. Okay, so what is the meaning of the double circulation? When the blood circulate twice the heart, ரெண்டு தடவை சுத்தும், okay, twice through the heart in a complete cycle, that is called double circulation. Okay, so that example enna appadina this process la the deoxygenated blood do not mix with the deoxygenated blood. So double circulation appadinale main thing, deoxygenated blood does not mix with the oxygenated blood. Okay, so deoxygenated blood does not mix with oxygenated blood. Okay, wow. So next single circulation. What is the meaning of single circulation? Single circulation na enna? So single circulation அப்படினா in lower oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is mixed. இது என்ன? It's not a complete twice ரெண்டு தடவை சுத்தி வராது. Only one circulation is there. ஒன்னு தான் நடக்கும். So this type of process la deoxygenated oxygenated blood mixed. So deoxygenated blood oxygen உள்ள blood mixed. This is called double circulation. Okay, have you understood the meaning? So next topic, heartbeat. What is heartbeat? Heartbeat na enna pa idayam tutikkum solvangala, that is called heartbeat. Okay, the one complete contraction and relaxation of the heart, that is called heartbeat. Heart contraction அப்படினா systole. So contraction அப்படினா systole, diastole அப்படினா relaxation. So contraction அப்படினா systole, relaxation அப்படினா diastole. Okay, what is systole? Systole na heart சுருங்குறது. So diastole அப்படினா heart அப்படியே bump ஆகி அப்படியே விரிகிறது. That is called diastole. So இதுக்கு பேர் தான் one complete contraction and relaxation. க்கு பேர் தான் என்னன்னா எங்க நடக்கும்னா contraction relaxation between atrial valve தான் நடக்கும். இதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்ன அப்படினா heartbeat. So normal heartbeat rate என்னன்னா 72 to 75 per minute. நார்மலா heartbeat 72 ல இருந்து 75 times per minute வந்து நமக்கு நடக்கும். இது காமன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இனிஷியேஷன் ஆஃப் ஹார்ட்பீட். இந்த ஹார்ட்பீட் எங்கே இனிஷியேட் ஆகும்னா இந்த நோடோட நேம் சைனோ ஆரிக்குலர் நோடு, எஸ்ஏ நோடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ ஒரு சமயம் எஸ்ஏ நோடுனா சைனோ ஆரிக்குலர் நோடு. சைனோ ஆரிக்குலர் நோடு இஸ் கால்ட் எஸ்ஏ நோடு. ஓகே, இட் இஸ் கால்ட் as a பேஸ் மேக்கர். அதான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா பேஸ் மேக்கர். பேஸ் மேக்கர் இல்லை அப்படின்னா இது போயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா ஹார்ட்டில் ஃபங்க்ஷனே நடக்காது, வேஸ்ட். ஹார்ட்டோட துடிப்பே கேட்காது. இட் இஸ் கிட்டத்தட்ட ஸ்மால் பேட்டரி மாதிரி நமக்கு ஹார்ட்டில் உள்ள பேட்டரி தான் அது பேஸ் மேக்கர். ஓகேவா? இந்த வேர் இஸ் லொக்கேட்டட் இன் எஸ்ஏ நோட். எஸ்ஏ நோட் இஸ் லொக்கேட்டட் இன் த ரைட் ஆட்ரியம். இட்ஸ் நியர் த இன்ஃபீரியர் வீனா கேவா. இட்ஸ் லொக்கேட்டட் த ரைட் atrium. Okay, it's close to the inferior vena cava. Close to inferior vena cava. Okay, so what is the main function of the SCA node? SCA node initiate the heartbeat. Heartbeat first initiate பண்றது என்னதான்? So இதான் pacemaker. It is capable of maintaining an impulse that can stimulate the heartbeat. So the waves la next எங்க travel ஆகும்னா SCA node to AV node. SCA node to AV node. AV node na auriculoventricular node. That is called AV node னு சொல்வாங்க. So AV node ல இருந்து next எங்க போகும்னா waves will transmit to bundle of His. The scientist oda name His. So called as a bundle of tissue. So next the wave transfer to the Purkinje fiber. பேர் Purkinje இல்லைகள்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, Purkinje fiber. ஓகே, ஸோ லாஸ்ட் அது எங்கே போகணும்னா Purkinje ஃபைபருக்கு போகும். இது காமனாக நடக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சர்க்கியூட். ஆரிஜின் அண்ட் கண்டக்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஹார்ட் பீட்னு கேட்பாங்க. ஸோ ஆரிஜினோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் என்னதுன்னா SA நோடு. SA நோடுனா சைனோ ஆரிக்குலர் நோட் கண்டக்ட் த ஹார்ட் பீட் இம்பல்ஸை கண்டக்ட் பண்ணும், நர்வ் இம்பல்ஸா. ஸோ ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் எங்கே ரீச் ஆகும்? AV நோடு. AV நோட்ல இருந்து பண்டில் ஆஃபீஸ். பண்டில் ஆஃபீஸ் வந்து லாஸ்ட்டாக Purkinje ஃபைபர்ஸ்க்கு ரீச் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் பல்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் பல்ஸ்? இப்போ எல்லாருமே ஒன்றும் இல்லைன்னா உடனே பல்ஸை பார்த்தீங்களா அப்படின்னு கேட்போம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் மீனிங் ஆஃப் பல்ஸ்? பல்ஸ்னா என்னப்பா? ஹார்ட் பீட் த பிளட் இஸ் ஃபோர்ஸ்ட் அவுட் த பிளட் ஆர்டரிஸ். ஆர்டரிஸ்க்கு என்ன செய்யணும்னா ஹார்ட் வந்து பிளட்டை ஃபோர்ஸாக பம்ப் பண்ணும். தட் இஸ் கால், அதுக்கு பேர் தான் பல்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஆஃப் ஆர்டரி, அந்த ஆர்டரி விரியும் போது வெரி ஸ்மால் பிளட் இஸ் ஃபோர்ஸ்ட் இந்த ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸாக பிளட் போகும். That is called pulse. The pulse நம்ம எங்க ஃபீல் பண்ணலாம்? left placing in the wrist, placing in the finger on the artery near the wrist. இந்த wrist கிட்ட கீழ அதுல வச்சு கேட்டோம் அப்படினா அந்த இடத்துல கை வச்சு உன் காது கிட்ட வச்சு கேளு. நீ கை தொட்டு பார்த்தாலே உனக்கு ஹார்ட் பீட் வந்து உன்னால ஃபீல் பண்ண முடியும். இந்த டிக் டிக் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு சவுண்டு அந்த ஒரு டக்குன்னு தட்டின மாதிரி இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் கால் பல்ஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நார்மலாக பல்ஸோட ரேட் 70 to 90 minutes. This is a normal pulse rate. Okay, have you understood? So what you have learned today, students? The first topic, systematic heart. The first topic is the structure of human heart. So human heart is made up of how many layers? Human heart is made up of how many chambers? 4 chambers, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle is present. So another one important thing, the heart is enclosed by a pericardial membrane. Okay, the pericardial, inside the pericardial membrane and pericardial fluid is present. What is the use of the fluid? Which prevent the mechanical injury. Okay, so next one important point, the heart is made up of 4 chambers, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle present. And the first, the right atrium receive the deaxenated blood through the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinuses. Next, the left atrium receive the axenated blood through the pulmonary vein. Okay, wow. So next, this is a right ventricle. The right ventricle arises as a pulmonary trunk. It receives the letter codina deaxenated. The right and left pulmonary artery supply the deaxenated blood to the lungs. Okay, wow. So next step, this is a left ventricle. Left ventricle arises as aorta. It receives the axenated blood. The coronary artery supply the axenated blood to the heart. This is a common step. Next to valve. What is valve? Valve is a muscular small flap. What is the main use of the valve? It's regulate the flow of blood in a single direction. This is a main use of valve. How many valves are present in our heart? 3 valves. Tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve and semilunar valve present. Tricuspid valve present in the right auricle and right ventricle. The bicuspid valve or mitral valve is present in the left auricle and left ventricle. Okay, wow. Last one, semilunar valve. What is the meaning of semi means half? Semilunar valve present in between the pulmonary artery and aorta. So what is the main use of the pulmonary? Prevent the backflow of blood to the ventricles. Ventricles ku blood flow agama paakradhukku. Okay, wow. So next one, the type of circulation. 3 type of circulation. The first one, pulmonary circulation, systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, coronary circulation. So first, what is the meaning of the pulmonary systemic circulation? The circulation of axenated blood to the left ventricle of the heart to the different organs. So next one, double circulation and single circulation. Today home assignment. Explain the type of valves. Thank you, student.